How's it going, everybody? I'm Jason and welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be a bit different. Tomorrow is Amazon's Prime Day early access sale. And essentially what this is a early Black Friday sale on Amazon exclusively for Prime members. Now I get it. Not everyone is a Amazon Prime customer, but in instances like this, it's a great opportunity to get deals on peripherals if you're building a PC, or if you need accessories for your Raspberry Pi. So for this video, I'm going to take a look around on Amazon's website to see if there are any peripherals that you might need for your Pi or your next PC build. And if you're thinking about signing up for Amazon Prime, there will be a link in the description box to get you a 30-day free trial. With that out of the way, let's see what's good over on Amazon. So if you manage to get a Raspberry Pi of any kind during these scarce times, you obviously need a micro SD card for storage. So starting with the PNY Premier X, you can pick up this micro SD card, 128 gigabytes for $14.99. This is a class 10 micro SD card, 4K UHD photos, and of course a boot drive for your Raspberry Pi OS. Now, if you need more capacity, and I mean a lot more capacity, you can step it up to the SanDisk Extreme 512 gigabyte. This is the lowest I've seen this SD card. And I think if you're someone who's building a arcade machine with a Raspberry Pi and you just want to dump all of your ROMs into Batocera or whatever distribution you're using for retro gaming, I think this is a great option for one of those situations. So 86 bucks, half a terabyte, you'll be good to go. Okay, so this next deal is for the PC builders out there. If you need a scratch disk, I always try to use Crucial products for my main drives. I've been using Crucial ever since I started building PCs back in 2018, and they haven't failed me yet. My original PC that I bought still uses a Crucial SSD and it's working just fine. So right now you can pick up the Crucial P2 500 gigabyte for 40 bucks. This is 17% off. Again, never had any serious issues with Crucial products. Their RAM, storage devices, they all work fantastic. Now, if you're building something with the new Ryzen chips or the 13th generation of Intel chips, you probably want to go with something that's PCIe 4.0. So you might want to step it up to the Crucial P5 Plus. Now I have a Crucial P5 in my main drive. Again, no issues, super fast boot times. And right now you can pick up the 500 gigabyte model for 80 bucks. 19% off. It's a great drive to have for a scratch disk in your PC. And for a few dollars more, you can step up to the 1 terabyte model for $116. I mean, 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 in your system for less than 40 bucks more than the 500 gigabytes. So definitely want to move on this deal if you want to pick up a nice fast scratch disk. Okay, so the RetroFlag G-Pi Case 2, it's an awesome handheld powered by the Raspberry Pi CM4. Fantastic device. I occasionally take it with me to work, so on my lunch break I can get in some retro gaming time, just to sort of decompress from work and just have a good time on my lunch break. So great device. So right now you can get 10% off the RetroFlag G-Pi Case 2. It's not the deluxe model with the dock, but you do get the rechargeable battery, of course, in the new G-Pi Case 2, and you get the power of the CM4 to play all of your retro games. So great device. Again, 10% off. It's a good deal. Okay, so let's swing back to PC components for a quick second. The Argon One M.2 is a Raspberry Pi 4 case that supports SATA M.2 drives. Okay, so this Kingston A400 is what I use in my hands-on video of the Argon One M.2. Right now you can pick this up for $27.99. It's the 240 gigabyte model. It's a great option if you want faster storage for your Raspberry Pi 4. Now, if you need a little bit more storage, you can jump over to Team Group and pick up the MS30. This is a 512 gigabyte model for $29.49. Last but not least, another Crucial product. This is the Crucial X6 1 terabyte for $94.99. Now I have one of these to transfer my video files between my main rig and my iPad Pro to edit videos and photos. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm pretty brand loyal to Crucial when it comes to PC parts. So RAM, storage, external storage, I try to use them whenever I can. But in all seriousness, the X6 is a great external storage device for media, music, whatever you need it for. It does the job. Now again, the Prime Early Access sale is only available for Prime members. And if you want to take advantage of the deals that I just mentioned, click the link down in the description box, or you can go to amazon.com/prime and start a 30-day free trial. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. If you want to check out any of the products that I mentioned and that Amazon Prime 30-day free trial, affiliate links will be in the description box. If you found this video helpful or informative, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm Jason, and I will see you guys in the next video.